Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to Gossip Grenade. South Africa was shaken to its core when beloved DJ and broadcaster DJ Wara's real name Warwick Stork was gunned down in broad daylight in Johannesburg CBD on the 16th of December 2025. A man who lived for music, community and fighting for his city's future cut down far too soon. Today we break down the top 5 most powerful reactions from across Mzansi that show just how deep this loss hit. Stay with me, this one's very heavy. And number 1, we have pain from the heart of the industry. Major broadcasters and radio legends poured out their grief. Colleagues called Waras one of the best, a fearless voice and a passionate storyteller whose energy shaped South African radio and TV. Many said they were broken by the news. And number 2, we have voices from the top, calls for change. South African ministers and public figures weighed in too, not just with condolences but with anger and agency. The Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture and others said Waras' murder exposed the brutal reality of violence, crime and urged that we must silence the guns. And number 3, we have social media explodes. Online, the grief turned raw and real. Media personalities like Usol Penduka took to X to clear up controversy after posting about Waras' death, saying he was trying to respect the family and later shared his last photo with him. And number 4, we have families call for unity. Guys, even weeks after the murder, Waras' family has been at the forefront calling for solidarity and unity, asking South Africans to light candles everywhere for their fallen loved one and praying for both peace and justice as the legal process unfolds. And number 5, we have a nation's heartbreak and debate. And then the reactions that weren't just sorrow but raw conversations. Some groups used his murder to demand a state of emergency on illegal immigration and crime. Others slammed political comments made in his name. Even an old tweet from Waras about training and guns went viral again, chilling fans who remembered his words as prophetic in light of his death. DJ Waras wasn't just a DJ, guys. He was a father, storyteller, patriot, and voice for the everyday South African. His death didn't just make headlines, it sparked national debate, heartbreak, and a call for change. Let me know in the comments which tribute hit you hardest, and if you think this tragedy will change South Africa's fight against violence crime. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll keep you updated as this story evolves.